This is called an elevated garden box, and I don't speak that other language. And that's what it looks like when it's done. And here's what it looks like when we get finished with it. Not bad. All right, so these are the pieces that it comes with. Looks pretty simple, so it shouldn't be too hard. This is the details of it. It comes with a bed liner, which is that green thing, I do believe. And so we got to cut these things. Gonna need some scissors. So I got a pair. We got to cut through here, right there. And there's one. I don't want to mark my plastic, so you gotta try to find a spot where it's. There we go. There we go. That's all taken care of. Now we just got to put it together. Shouldn't be too hard. All right, so you're going to notice you get these little screw doohickeys here. Step one, put this on a non-marking surface. Step two, then step two, we're going to take this piece with that rung at the bottom, and we're going to set it right in like this. All right, so this has to slip inside of here. So what we've got to do is, we're going to kind of get it in there like that. Pop this one open. And you got to kind of slide it down in there. There we go. So now we've got that one on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these little screws and they're going to go right in here. Just like that. See that? Just like that. Bam. Done. Now we got to put the other one on this side. All right, so it's the same thing. The groove, this groove has to go to the bottom, and you got to get this in here. You got to kind of bend these out a little bit, like that. See, that way it'll fit in. And now it's in. Done. Now you just got to screw in those two little screws, and yeah, in she goes. Pretty simple. Very simple. Nice. All right. All right. Next, we got to put in our. We're going to put in our basically our floor. So let me turn it this way so you can see it. All right. If you notice, I've got this little level here, goes all the way down on both sides. So I'm imagining that that's the bottom, and this is the top. You notice it kind of fits in that groove. And then right there, see that? And that's got to go in there. Then this one, you got to get in that groove. And they should hold together pretty good. And it just slides down, just like that. Pretty much, that's it. So now we've got the bottom on there. Should be set in. We don't really have any screws to put in it. Now what we've got to do, let's see if we're in here. So we got to kind of push it to get it in there like that. And then it matches up and it's flush here. So that works. So that's the bottom. Now all we got to do is put the top on, which is over here. Now it came with all these things. And I don't know what they are because they don't show anything in the directions of what I'm supposed to do with those. So I'm just going to pull them all out of here. I don't know if yours came with those or not. But in the directions, it doesn't show any of that. So we'll try to figure that out. So let's take a look at the inside. Looks pretty good. Now we just got to put our top on and then screw it in there. And here it is. All right, so let's do that now. So this may be a little more difficult than I think. I'm hoping it's not. But so I've just got to get this part right here. We're going to just take it and we're going to try to get it so it flips on there. That's on that side. That one's on that side. Okay, that side's good. Now we just got to get this side on. Got to get this front in. See that? This doesn't want to go in there, does it? This one. There we go. There we go. Now we just got to get this side up. Okay, we got that on. Right now, there we go. Now we're on. Now we can put our screws in. So I'm going to go in there. Just tighten it down. This was relatively easy to put together. Just this getting this one side on was a little tough. Now I got to do the same thing on this side. All right, so anyway, just got to get in there, turn around. There we go. And one more. All right, so those lock these in. And that's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple procedure. So let's take a look. We've got those on that side, those on this side. Down here we got two, and we got that all locked in. And then I think if we can just pick it up and set it down. All right, so apparently that's it right there. Looks pretty stable. Looks good. So did not take long at all. Basically, you just have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces together. You got two sides here, and you got a base, and that's it. That's all there was to it. Now we got to put our liner in there. So that's our next step. All right, apparently this just kind of sets in here, and I don't know if you can see. Let's take a better look at it over here. So this kind of on the edges, it just kind of folds up like that. And there's a tape here that I tape it to. And then we fill it up with dirt. There we go. So now it's sticky underneath. So it just kind of comes off like that. And you got to get it all the way off. So I got to pull that off. Okay, so that's that tape here. We'll just throw it in there, keep it. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to start with a corner. I'm going to get the corner way in there. And then I just got to keep it nice and even all the way around until I get to this corner here. And there we go. It's got to come up. So you want it so it's flat on the bottom, and then it slides right up. So what's good is that you can, if you make a mistake, you can pull it up. So I think that worked pretty good. Let's take a look. So it seems to be okay. Get it in there. That's it. All right, then we got to do it on this side, same thing. Get that tape off. Pull it off. Okay, good. Now we're ready to come up. And I want to make sure this is on the floor. And then this comes up a little bit. That's that. And there we go. And that should do it. Now we just fill that with dirt and we're ready to rock. And let's get a gander of our fantastic job we did. Looks pretty good. That's it. Very simple to put together. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff like putting together vegetable or flower beds. This is called an elevated garden box, and I don't speak that other language. And that's what it looks like when it's done. And here's what it looks like when we get finished with it. Not bad.